Hey guys, we have here our Toyota Hilux, and in this video we want to explain to you how to replace the cabin air filter on this video. So the cabin air filter is located behind the glove box, so we're going to open that up, and then the first thing we have to do is to take a look at the outside here by the door. There we find this little plastic piece that we can simply pop off by pulling on it. And then we have to remove now the glove box, and that is held in place by these two plastic tabs, or big plastic tabs on the left side and on the right side. I'm going to pull first here on the left side. I'm going to pull that out and then pull out the glove box a little bit. The right side is considerably more difficult to do. So here you're going to have to use some force, and then eventually you'll be able to tilt down the glove box. It's actually going to just fall down. And then on the bottom we have this little hinge here that we can detach relatively easily, and then we have access here now to the cabin air filter box. We're going to remove this cover here by lifting it out from the one on the left side, and then we can carefully pull out the old cabin air filter. You have to be careful. There may be some dirt, debris, some dust on top of sitting on top of it. You don't want it to go all over the place. Also check inside if there's any dirt or something sitting there that we can pull out by hand. So now we have here our new cabin air filter. We're going to make sure we put this in the right orientation. So I just put this in here with the writing in the correct way. Sometimes you have an arrow that points out the airflow. So the airflow is going from the top to the bottom in this case. So let's push in this air filter all the way in this orientation here. And then we have here the cover, and again, and the cover also says up and has an arrow pointing up, so you know in which direction to install this. And first we're going to click this in on the right side, and then we're going to push it against the box to close it up correctly on the left side. Make sure it really sits tight. And at this point we can already reassemble everything. So we have here these little cutouts here on the plastic here. That's where it's a part of the hinge. So here you see the glove box. You can have these tabs here. Those are going to go right inside of there. It's also, by the way, a good idea to just clean out your glove box while you have it out here. So mine's really dirty. So, and then once the hinge is back put together, then we just simply push on the glove box, push it all the way up until it clicks into position. And then the last step that we still have to do is put this little plastic tab, piece of plastic here, back in. This is like a dampener that makes the glove box open up a little bit more slowly. Okay, then we're going to test it out. If everything is working fine, just open up the glove box. Okay, this seems to work all right. And that was all it for this video. Hope you found the information helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.